Hello everybody, let me show you how I change the doorknob. List command we can do ourselves. Let's do together. So first thing first, remove everything from the door, the old knob.
I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours. Enter directly. Open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift. You cannot
So there you go, we have choose that the brand of the doorknob, and it's time to install the new because the hole is very old design and it is very become small, so we decided to cut the hole again. And then we already have the template and that clamp, we clamp on the door and cut the hole. Clean up everything, all the dust, and then insert the new. And there we go.
To stop right now. We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street.